Today's my wash day. Sit back and watch me get this done. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button, smash.
This is what King's hair looked like before we get started. Turn around, King. This is not even a ponytail anymore. He has played and taken this on a whole nother journey. So we're going to bring it back to life with his hairstyle that he wears to school for the first 2 days of school. Here we go.
I love when I get my hair washed. That thing feels so good.
Ooh, I love it when she scrub it like that. Scrub it.
Make them bubbles. Wash it. That thing feels so good. Ah, that's fresh. Time for a conditioner. Now we're almost done. Doing a cool out of rinse. And now we're done. Dry me off, Mommy. I'm just ready to go to school. She's brushing it all day. I wish she'd hurry up, but she's still going. Put the jelly stuff on it. Here she go, brushing again. Did y'all see that? She's pulling my hair. Are you done? Are you done? Oil. Please give me a thumbs up for all this. I was struggling. I was shaking my head. That was the end of my video. Smash the subscribe button and see you later.
This is King's final look. He is ready for school. His hair has air dried. Turn the other way. And for the first 2 or 3 days of school, he wears his hair just like this. He calls it his crazy hair. And then maybe for the next few days, it goes into a man bun or the 2 braids like his brother. But this is King. What else you got to say?
Bye. See you later.
Shake your head around. Ow. Now stop. Stop. Papa.
Until next time, YouTube.